place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost every...
Alrighty guys, so we are here to get the paint today, and we are going to Alex Auto Body Shop in Winter Haven, Florida, on Record Highway, 2813 Record Highway to be exact. Now it's just a few steps away from Joey's shop, and these guys are awesome at mixing the paint, so let's go in.
Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky
Alrighty
thing.
guys, so right now we are here at Alex's paint shop in Winter Haven on Record Highway. And I'm here with Luis and Carlos, and they are both helping me mix this paint so we can get an awesome color for our Mustang to win some car shows. Carlos, Luis, look at that. It's so dope. I can't wait for this to be finished.
Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down myself.
Alrighty guys, so we finally chose the color, and this is super exciting. We gave it a name, and it's called the Purple Pearl, which is super dope. So we are mixing this right now, and I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like. Alrighty guys, so here we are with the Mustang. It's finally gonna get painted today. This is super cool, super awesome. So what Joey ended up doing was he ended up looking for the imperfections on the paint. As you can see, this is where he put the spot putty. So we're gonna sand this down. We're gonna try to make sure it gets perfect. But at the end of the day, nothing could fully be perfect. But the way Joey's working, he's trying to make sure this is damn perfect. So I can't wait to see this. It's gonna get into the booth really soon, and it's just gonna look awesome. So I can't wait to get that paint laid down on it, and I'm gonna show you guys as soon as it gets painted. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are finally gonna paint this car. This here is Joey. He's the owner of Secret Collision. So if you guys are in Winter Haven, definitely stop by. We are finally gonna lay this paint down. What we're gonna do first is cover this car, lay it down with a base of silver. Why are we laying it down with a base of silver, Joey?
No. You explain why.
Well, that's what I'm asking you why. So you tell me and then I'll tell them.
You why? Because we need a rich color.
Okay.
A white light background.
Okay. So we're laying it down with a base of silver. That is gonna give this color a rich look when we spray. It's gonna be completely even. Joey's a little bit shy, but it's all right. But I can't wait. We're gonna keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Get one more look at the car, because this is not what it's gonna look like when it's done. It's gonna look completely different. So I'm gonna end the episode right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a like on the video and leave your comments and your thoughts as to what the color of the roof and the accents will be. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.